Are you struggling to lose weight no matter how much you diet? It might not be what you're eating, but how you start your morning. In this video, we reveal 7 science-backed morning habits that can supercharge your metabolism and set you up for all-day fat burning. Stick till the end for a powerful bonus tip most people ignore. Habit 1: Start with water. Hydration is key. Drinking a glass of warm water, especially with lemon, right after waking up kickstarts your digestion, flushes out toxins, and wakes up your metabolism. Add a pinch of pink salt for extra minerals. Habit 2: Avoid sugar in breakfast. Avoid sugary cereals or sweet tea. Sugar spikes insulin, leading to fat storage. Choose high-protein breakfasts like eggs, Greek yogurt, or oats to keep you full and burn more fat. Habit 3: Move your body. A 10-minute brisk walk or light stretching in the morning can increase blood flow and signal your body to start burning stored fat. Even gentle yoga counts. Habit 4: Get sunlight exposure. Morning sunlight balances your circadian rhythm and increases serotonin, which boosts mood and energy. Just 10 minutes outside can also regulate hunger hormones. Habit 5: Eat within 60 to 90 minutes. Waiting too long to eat after waking up can slow down metabolism. A balanced meal within 60 to 90 minutes fuels your body and prevents cravings later. Habit 6: Add apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before breakfast can control blood sugar and reduce fat accumulation. But don't overdo it, and always dilute it. Habit 7: Practice mindfulness. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat. Starting your day with 5 minutes of deep breathing, gratitude, or journaling can keep you calm and fat-burning optimized. Bonus tip: drink green tea or black coffee before your workout. Caffeine increases energy and fat burning. But avoid adding sugar or creamers. These small morning habits can bring big changes in your fat loss journey. Try them for 7 days and let us know in the comments how you feel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Diet Lab for more smart weight loss strategies.